the ceiling, the windows keep fogging up. You bought your business, the money keep calling up. Brad and her family, only thing she brawling for. In the streets, girl, they put respect on your name like you rapping Bird Gang, and that is all I need, girl. You just the kinda like you work your 9 to 5, then you head straight to OT, girl. You not a rat, you just share common facts that you both like to chase down the cheese, girl. You keep your nails done every week and your weave stay on fleek. What I need, girl, ass on.
I'm gonna show you something real quick, and it's gonna be real helpful for this project. It only takes a few minutes. You're gonna need a pack of transfer paper. It's like $7. You can get the other one for like $10. It's easier to transfer. This is the cheapest one you can get at Walmart. Okay, comes with the instructions right here. Let's get started. You're gonna need an iron and a t-shirt. Okay, I'm gonna use a black t-shirt. Okay, and I'm gonna show you how I make my shirts if I don't always buy them, which I don't. Okay, we're gonna just type in Gucci logo. It's a certain shirt I'm looking for that Drea had on a couple of days ago, okay? And I've been seeing everybody with it on. Now, I seen it on my phone, but I don't see it here. Okay, that's it right there. That looks like the one I'm looking for. It's lookingbomb.com. Okay. You have all these other ones over there, okay? And they're just freshly off of a shirt. I would do the Obey one and just not try to do the Gucci. But in this case, I wouldn't do this print either because it's too... I would do that one, but I wouldn't do this print because it's too dark. With this one, it's authentic. It has like a rust look on there. You want to look kind of, you know, like you bought that thing. All right? So we're going to go with this one. We're going to right-click it and save. Okay? Now, you guys, it's a lot of ways to, you know... Okay, I'm going to retype it in so I can find it. Oops. Gucci shirt. Okay. So now I'm going to go into my envelope and look for it. It should be somewhere in quick access because I just made it. There it is. Okay. I thought I had a light on in here. It's getting dark. Okay, there we have it, you guys. It's right here. Now the thing is, it's not okay, here it is. I was about to say, I'm like, what in the heck? Okay. You're going to put your printing paper face down. You want the Avery logo to show. You want it to be face down. Slide it in there. We're going to close it. Okay? Did you load paper? Yes. That's my sewing machine over there too, you guys. I'm going to be sewing soon. We'll back again. Okay, you guys. So, back to this. We're going to take this and we're going to hit print. It's really easy, you guys. It's not really a big of a deal. If you can, if the prints, if something that you're doing is very small, see, this is going to be big, which is pretty good, but let's play with it. Wait a minute. Plain paper, full paper, full. You wanted to get it kind of smaller. See, I can't have that Gucci cut off. paper size. Fit. There we go. That's the one I'm looking for. Shrink to fit. I almost start sweating, y'all. Okay, now let's take it back to full paper. Okay, so you guys just play with it like I did. And then what we're going to do is hit print. And let's see what we got. I pray that I did it right. I haven't did it in a long time, you guys, because the printing paper can get pricey and the ink can be very pricey. It's like 50 bucks a cartridge. You have to get 2 cartridges. I have the plain black ink and the color ink, so you have to put 2 cartridges in there that comes in a pack. It's like 60 bucks, 40 or like between 50 and 60 bucks. So I try not to print as much as I used to. So when I do it, I try to make a shirt that I really freaking like and I'm gonna really wear. And this one I like. And sometimes what I would do is I'll add like glitter to it. And you know, I have little beads and little stuff I can add to the shirts if it doesn't make me excited. But let's just hope this came out good, you guys. Oh, it's looking good so far. Wow. You guys, I'm kind of cool with the shirt, but I'm gonna go back over here and hit edit, okay? And I just want to show you guys something. Because you have to make sure, let me double check. We're gonna hit adjust. Is it, no, let's check crop. Okay, let's flip it. That's what we're looking for. Because when we iron it on the shirt, you guys, it's perfect. As you can see, it's perfect. But you're forgetting it's going to be going this way. So the Gucci's going to be looking like that on the shirt. So make sure you guys flip it before you print it. Don't do what I just did and waste your ink and your paper. I forgot to do that. So remember, 2 things. Flip it on the screen before you copy and face down into the printer. Okay, you guys? I had to switch shirts. The black wasn't giving me the effect that I wanted. Too dark for the gold to stand out. So always remember that if you got colors like that, you might want to use a light shirt. Okay. I tend to usually use white shirts. If you do want to get it darker, make sure that you get the Avery paper that has dark on there, you guys. Mine was light, so it wasn't coming out right, okay? And I got really frustrated and I had to realize, Gigi, you got the wrong paper, boo. Okay? We're gonna let that dry for a few minutes and we're just gonna all cross our fingers. Right here. Make sure where it says transfer paper, if it's light, use it on white color shirts, okay? If you want to use the dark one and you want to do that black shirt, make sure this says dark right up in here, okay? Please, because I just wasted paper. You just keep ironing it. But the less, if you have to do this, this is better, because you don't want to sit there and iron and then it turns yellow or, you know, it gets freaky on you. Now you're all jacked up. That happened to me before. So just iron for the first minute, and then if you have problems, just continue to iron through. See, I don't want to mess that side up, so let's start on this side. Ta-da! Look at that. You got you a $2 Gucci shirt, okay? If you want to get creative with it, you guys, yes, I'm happy. I'm clapping hands. Let me unplug this iron. You can buy this at Walmart. Okay, I have another shirt I want to show you guys, but you can follow me on my Instagram to see some of that, okay? And that's GIIGIIMAGIQ. Same thing for Snapchat. GIIGIIMAGIQ. Anyways, you take some of this gold glitter, you get it at Walmart. It's like $1 and something, but you get like a 40 ounce of it. Well, you get what I'm trying to say. It's a lot of it. And you grab you some tacky glue. If you got a hot glue gun, that's even better. But I prefer you guys to use this when you're dealing with t-shirts. Because of the, I don't know, you can use the hot glue. I have a hot glue gun as well. But what you do is go alongside of the outside of this, and then you'll just sprinkle some, just sprinkle some of this gold stuff around it if you want to get creative. Especially when it starts to get old, it may start peeling. It may. But for the most part, you guys, look at that. Nice. Look, it's flimsy. Look at that. So there you guys have it. If you want it in black, the original color, so you won't look crazy or you won't feel, you want to look dead on the look, go for the black t-shirt. And make sure when you get this transfer paper, make sure this particular spot says dark, you guys. It's really dark because it's going to get really light. That means it has more, I don't know, it works better. Because I did some black shirts before, but not with the light transfer paper. But with white t-shirts, any light shirts, use that light transfer paper. It's cheaper. It's only $7. You get 5 pieces of paper, so that's like 5 shirts. Also, you guys, if you got, say for instance, this is a whole sheet of paper, go on there and you can copy a lot of different stuff, like different small logos all over your paper, over and over and over. And then you can just cut it out and iron on different stuff. And with this, you can just throw it with some Walmart shorts. Look at that. Throw those on with it. They'll never know. You feel me? With your little Adidas, what he say? Swing that 40-inch. Swing that 40-inch. And these shorts were only like $5. All right, I'm enough. With that all being said, I want to thank you guys for watching my channel. And like I said in my caption, in my introduction on my YouTube, I'm the trick of all trades. And with that being said, without further ado, you guys have a blessed, fun-filled, relaxing, peaceful, nice night. Okay, you guys, don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell to the right hand side. Don't forget to share this, maybe. Yeah, share it, you guys. And do not forget to leave a comment. If you guys have anything, any requests that you want me to do, feel free to leave it in the comments. If I'm able to do it, I'll try. If I'm not able, I'll still give it a try. We can try it together on on here. Hey, once again, thank you guys. I'm gone because now I'm excited and I just want to look at my shirt. I want to try my shirt on. Bye, you guys. I thought I'd just share this quick tip with you guys. You see this mirror? It's blinging, huh? I bought this mirror at a thrift store at the Salvation Army for $1. I painted it on the outside and I just sprinkled glitter on it and just cleaned it real good for $1 and hung it up. Look at that. See it closely? Great paint. Isn't that cute? I know, right? Another tip. Just thought I'd share it with you. Just thought I'd share. Just sidebarring it. That's all.